Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chicken broth for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CARU Daily Dish Chicken Broth Meal Topper. The CARU Daily Dish Chicken Broth Meal Topper for dogs shines as a top pick for dog owners looking to boost their pets' meals with added hydration and flavor. With its all-natural recipe featuring no GMOs, preservatives, or harmful additives like onion and garlic, this chicken broth stands out for its commitment to your pet's health. It's crafted specifically to cater to both dogs and cats' dietary needs, making mealtime more enjoyable without compromising on nutrition. Owners can easily mix this savory broth with dry kibble or use it as a special snack between meals, ensuring their furry friends stay hydrated and satisfied. One of the key reasons we have selected this meal topper as number 1 is its versatility and health benefits. Many pets struggle with drinking enough water throughout the day, but when mixed into their food, CARU's chicken broth encourages better hydration habits. Additionally, dog owners rave about how their pets now eagerly look forward to eating times. Even those picky eaters are enticed by the enhanced taste of their usual meals. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Stella and Chewy's Bountiful Bone Broth. Stella and Chewy's Bountiful Bone Broth caught our attention due to its impressive list of benefits for dogs, earning it the number 2 spot in our recommendations. We value this product highly because it combines nutrition with convenience, making mealtime both a wholesome and enjoyable experience for your pet. The use of cage-free chicken as the primary ingredient underscores the brand's commitment to quality and animal welfare, which we find crucial in selecting top-tier products for pets. One standout feature is the inclusion of anti-inflammatory superfoods such as turmeric and cinnamon, which can be a game changer for dogs suffering from joint pain or digestive issues. Furthermore, we appreciate that this bone broth is grain and gluten-free, catering to dogs with food sensitivities without sacrificing taste or nutritional value. The easy-to-use resealable pouches make serving hassle-free and ensure that freshness is locked in at every meal. At number 3, we have the Solid Gold Chicken Bone Broth. Solid Gold Chicken Bone Broth for dogs delivers a massive punch of nutrition in every drop, making it an excellent choice to top our furry friends' meals. Packed with naturally occurring collagen from chicken bones, this broth not only supports healthy joints, but also promotes vibrant skin and nails. The addition of superfoods like carrots, sweet potatoes, apples, pumpkin, and ginger further boosts gut health and hydration, key components for a dog's overall well-being. It's easy to use. Simply pour it over dry food or serve it as a wholesome treat on its own. We've ranked Solid Gold Chicken Bone Broth as number 3 on our list because it strikes the perfect balance between enhancing mealtime with critical nutrients and being a delightful treat that dogs adore. Its grain-free formula is ideal for sensitive stomachs while providing essential vitamins and minerals necessary for optimal health. Owners looking to elevate their pet's diet will find this product not just beneficial but transformative, with evidence supporting improved hydration and vitality among pups who regularly enjoy it. At number 2, we have the Merrick Grain-Free Bone Broth. Merrick Grain-Free Bone Broth stands out as a top choice for dog owners seeking a premium, human-grade food topper rich in flavor and nutrition. Crafted with no artificial colors, flavors, or fillers, this chicken broth is enhanced with vitamins and minerals that bolster your pet's diet. The careful blend of parsley, turmeric, sweet potatoes, and apples not only adds an irresistible taste, but also contributes to the health benefits of this gluten-free treat. Unlike ordinary toppers, Merrick's broth introduces superfoods to your dog's meals, making every bite a step toward better health. Dog owners will appreciate the ease of adding Merrick chicken bone broth to their pets' diets. Whether poured over dry kibble for added moisture or served alone as a savory treat, this bone broth adapts to various feeding routines, without complicating meal prep. Its holistic ingredients support digestive health, which is especially beneficial for dogs with sensitive stomachs. Imagine your dog enjoying the rich flavors while receiving the hydration they need, all from a pouch made by experts who understand what pets love and need. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nature's Diet Pet Bone Broth. Nature's Diet Pet Bone Broth stands out with its rich blend of human-grade ingredients, ensuring your furry family members enjoy the same quality nutrition as you do. Every scoop of this nutrient-dense protein powder bursts with over 50% protein from a single animal source, making it an excellent choice for supporting strong bones and joints in dogs of all ages. Its unique formula also includes pumpkin, fish oil, and turicum, key components that aid in digestion and promote a shiny coat. Made in small batches right here in the USA, this gluten and grain-free broth is easy to prepare. Simply add water to create a savory gravy, or sprinkle it dry over meals to enhance flavor and nutritional value. Dog owners looking for a way to boost their pet's diet will appreciate how Nature's Diet focuses on common health concerns, such as hip and joint support for senior dogs, or skin and coat care for those with sensitive skin. The addition of prebiotics and probiotics supports gut health, making it more than just a tasty treat but a comprehensive dietary supplement. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.